After Qualcomm's excellent performance with the S23 chip this year, Samsung has opted to bring back the Exynos chip, namely the newest Exynos 2400 that will be inside the Galaxy S24 series. According to the latest news, Qualcomm has priced the 8 Gen 3 chip for next-generation 2024 flagships much higher than previous generations, which is why you'll see a healthy amount of Android smartphones next year opting for MediaTek flagship chips or Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 chip instead of the 8 Gen 3. And Samsung will not do so. Instead, they will use its own Exynos 2400 processor, which they have spent 2 years developing. Now that the latest report from China has been completed, we will know precisely what type of features this chip will have. The Exynos 2400 will be a 10-core CPU chip with a possible 12-core GPU that is supposed to be twice as fast as the Exynos 2200. It will be based using Samsung's 4nm process, which is supposed to be better. However, we do not know whether it is as excellent as the 4nm DSMC technology that will be used on the 8 Gen 3. The camera ISP will be as powerful as the 8 Gen 3, enabling 320-megapixel camera sensors and up to 8K 60 frames per second films. The newest Exynos 5300 modem, which was revealed earlier this year, will handle two-way communication with satellites, much as the 8 Gen 3 Exynos 2400. As for the GPU, Samsung will use the newest Eclipse 920 GPU, which is reported to be 2 times faster than the previous generation. Perhaps, it will be able to equal or come near to the performance that we'll see on the 8 Gen 3. Also, Samsung has begun firmware development for the entire Galaxy S24 lineup, which is based on Android 14 and possibly One UI 6.1. Along with this, we have our first ever leaked physical bars look of the S Universe series, which are the batteries for all 3 models, so they are roughly the same sizes as the previous S23 lineup. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.